So I typically do videos about successful things, and this was not successful. But you have to learn from everything. So we brought in one of the discs that I had cut from the tree, the copper European beech or European copper beech, and laid it on here. And I thought, okay, we're gonna grab the belt sander and put some like 80 grit sandpaper on it, like this, or this. This one actually feels the best. And we're gonna sand. Well, started sanding and the first belt broke at the seam. Put another belt on. That one broke. And I'm pretty quick, like 3-4 minutes. Not even maybe. Put another belt on. That one broke. And another one. And one more, and then decided, okay, this just is not working. So I think what happened, one thing is I think these belts are old and the adhesive is not, it's not what it was. So I'm going to try using some contact cement and putting them back together. And I think they'll be okay after I do that. I think we'll talk about that later if it isn't, or either way. But the other thing we learned is even after that many belts and, like 10 minutes of sanding altogether, I was making very, very little progress. Like what I was able to sand was looking great, but, with 1/8-inch gouges here and there from the chainsaw, it would be forever to take them out. And all I want to do is take them out on the surface, the top. But we're talking, it would be hours of sanding with that belt sander. So I then I've decided that this may be a good way to finish it, but I need something else to get it closer to flat. So I'm going to order some grinders for my grinding wheels for my disc grinder, and they're for wood carving. So when I get them, we'll bring up another disc, because my brother was going to take this one anyways, and he said he would try it doing it. I'm going to have to report back to him what I think might work. But so we'll let you know. But on Beech end grain, this just is not cutting it for taking much wood off to get it, semi-flat. Well, not semi-flat, but get some of those grooves out of there. The belt sander may be perfect for the last stage, but I need something else to rough it out even closer. Okay, hope that makes sense. And I would have demoed it at the time, but it was kind of frustrating. I wasn't sure what to do. Okay, I'll let you know how the wheels work on the disc grinder.